Pakistan, a land of vibrant cultures and breathtaking landscapes, boasts a rich genetic tapestry. Its location at ancient crossroads has shaped its diversity. The genetic makeup reflects a history of human movement. Understanding this diversity is key to Pakistan's identity. Its geographical position made it a melting pot of cultures. Each group has left its mark on the genetic landscape. This intermingling created a unique genetic diversity. It's a story of human connection and shared history. The genetic story of Pakistan is a journey through time. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest urban civilizations, laid the foundation for Pakistan's genetic landscape. Flourishing thousands of years ago, this advanced society left an indelible mark on the region. Their genetic contributions are still evident in the modern-day population. The people of the Indus Valley were likely a mix of indigenous groups and migrants from surrounding regions. Their agricultural practices and urban planning suggest a sophisticated understanding of their environment. They also engaged in trade and cultural exchange with other civilizations. These interactions likely contributed to their genetic diversity. Genetic studies on ancient remains from the Indus Valley are ongoing. These studies hold the potential to unlock further secrets about their ancestry and lifestyle. As technology advances, we can expect more insights into the genetic makeup of these early inhabitants. The Indus Valley civilization's legacy extends beyond its physical ruins. Their genetic contributions continue to resonate in the DNA of modern Pakistanis. The arrival of Indo-Aryan speakers marked a significant turning point in Pakistan's genetic history. These migrations, occurring around the 2nd millennium BCE, introduced new genetic components into the region. The Indo-Aryans brought with them their language, culture, and genetic heritage. This influx reshaped the genetic landscape of the region. The Indo-Aryan migrations were not a single event, but rather a series of movements over time. These migrations brought significant changes to the region's languages and culture. They also influenced the social structure and religious beliefs of the existing population. These changes are reflected in the genetic makeup of modern-day Pakistanis. The extent of the Indo-Aryan genetic impact is still a subject of ongoing research and debate. Regardless of the exact dynamics, the Indo-Aryan migrations played a crucial role in shaping Pakistan's genetic diversity. The genetic legacy of these migrations is still being unraveled by researchers. Over the centuries, Pakistan's strategic location attracted numerous empires and groups, each leaving their genetic footprint. The Persians, Greeks, and various Central Asian groups all contributed to the region's growing genetic diversity. Their interactions and intermingling further enriched the genetic tapestry of Pakistan. The Achaemenid Empire, founded by Cyrus the Great, extended its reach into the region, bringing Persian influence and genetic contributions. Alexander the Great's conquests introduced Greek elements, although their genetic impact was likely limited. The subsequent rise of Central Asian empires, such as the Kushans, further diversified the genetic pool. Trade routes like the Silk Road facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and genes between Pakistan and Central Asia. This constant flow of people and cultures contributed to the region's cosmopolitan nature. The genetic impact of these interactions is still visible in the diverse ethnic groups of Pakistan. These historical interactions have shaped the genetic makeup of the region for centuries. The arrival of Islam in the 7th century CE marked a profound transformation in Pakistan's history. Turkic invasions in the 10th century introduced new genetic components. These events reshaped the region's cultural and genetic makeup. Islam unified the region, while Turkic migrations added to the genetic mix. The Arab conquests brought significant cultural changes. Subsequent Turkic migrations introduced new genetic lineages. These migrations enriched Pakistan's genetic diversity. The Mughal Empire, a powerful dynasty of Turkic-Mongol origin, left an enduring legacy on Pakistan's genetic and cultural landscape. Ruling for centuries, the Mughals fostered a period of relative peace and prosperity. Their reign facilitated cultural exchange and further genetic intermingling. The Mughals, with their Central Asian roots, brought their own distinct genetic contributions to the region. Their intermarriage with local elites and the migration of people within the empire further blended the genetic pool. This fusion of cultures and genes under Mughal rule contributed to the rich tapestry of modern-day Pakistan. The Mughal era witnessed a flourishing of art, architecture, and literature. This cultural efflorescence was accompanied by a continued mixing of populations from different parts of the empire. The movement of people and ideas facilitated genetic exchange and contributed to the diverse genetic makeup of Pakistan. The Mughal Empire's legacy extends beyond its magnificent monuments and cultural achievements. Their genetic contribution, intertwined with the region's existing diversity, has shaped the genetic landscape of Pakistan. Pakistan's modern genetic landscape reflects its complex and layered history. The country is home to a remarkable array of ethnic groups, each with its unique genetic profile. These groups, including Punjabis, Pashtuns, Sindhis, Baloch, and others, represent the culmination of millennia of migrations, intermingling, and cultural exchange. The Punjabis, the largest ethnic group in Pakistan, exhibit a diverse genetic makeup, reflecting their location at the crossroads of various historical influences. Pashtuns, primarily inhabiting the northwest, show genetic affinities with Central Asian populations. Sindhis, concentrated in the southeast, carry the genetic legacy of the Indus Valley civilization and subsequent migrations. The Baloch, residing in the southwest, maintain a distinct genetic identity with links to ancient Iranian populations. Other smaller ethnic groups, such as the Brahui, add further complexity to Pakistan's genetic tapestry. These groups represent the living embodiment of Pakistan's diverse history. The genetic diversity within Pakistan is a testament to the country's rich and multifaceted past. Each ethnic group contributes to the nation's unique genetic mosaic. The European colonial period, primarily under British rule, had a relatively minimal direct impact on Pakistan's genetic landscape. Unlike previous waves of migration and invasion, the colonial presence did not result in significant genetic intermingling. However, the colonial era brought about profound socio-political changes that continue to shape Pakistan today. While the British presence did not significantly alter the genetic makeup of the population, it did introduce new social structures and administrative systems. These changes had lasting impacts on the political and social dynamics of the region. The colonial era also influenced the development of infrastructure and education systems. The colonial period also witnessed the rise of new political movements and identities. These movements played a crucial role in shaping the future of the region. Although the genetic impact of the European colonial period was limited, its socio-political consequences were far-reaching. The colonial era represents a distinct chapter in Pakistan's history, albeit one with a less pronounced genetic influence compared to previous periods. Recent advances in genetic research are providing unprecedented insights into Pakistan's complex genetic history. Studies using advanced DNA analysis techniques are helping to unravel the contributions of different ancestral populations. These studies are shedding light on the timing and roots of ancient migrations and the interactions between different groups. Genetic studies are revealing the intricate patterns of genetic admixture within Pakistan's diverse ethnic groups. Researchers are able to trace the genetic lineages of different populations and map their connections to other regions of the world. These studies are providing a more nuanced understanding of Pakistan's genetic tapestry. By analyzing ancient DNA from archaeological sites, scientists are gaining valuable information about the genetic makeup of past populations. These studies are helping to fill in the gaps in our understanding of Pakistan's ancient history. Genetic research is a powerful tool for reconstructing the past. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries in the years to come. Pakistan's genetic tapestry is a testament to its long and fascinating history. From the ancient inhabitants of the Indus Valley to waves of migrations, each group has left its mark. This diversity is a source of strength and a reminder of interconnected human history. The intermingling of genes and cultures has created a unique genetic mosaic. This diversity is reflected in the country's ethnic groups, languages, and traditions. Pakistan's genetic heritage reflects its position at the crossroads of civilizations. Understanding this history is essential for appreciating the country's rich cultural heritage. This knowledge fosters unity and shared history among its diverse population. It highlights the importance of celebrating diversity and promoting tolerance. Pakistan's story is one of migration, interaction, and human connection. This ongoing story has shaped the nation's genetic and cultural landscape.